Hello friends, my name is Dr. Rahul Shah. Well, today I am over here to share with you the journey of my life. Let me start by telling you what I am and what I have done so far. I was born and brought up in a city called as Mumbai. It is also called a city of dreams. I believe everyone know it. Very well know it. I somehow, with leaps and bounces, did my graduation in Bachelor's of Commerce called as BCom. Gradually and rapidly started studying more harder, understanding the importance and impact of education, completed my MCom, MBA, PGDBA, PGDFM, DFM, and I then completed my PhD, which helped me to call the coveted term called as doctorate. Eventually, I also was parallelly growing while I was studying in the business world as well. I still remember in my life, I started my business years ago in the year 2005. Before that, I had an experience of around 10 years working in different kinds of businesses, companies as well. In 2005, I started my first business of chemicals, pharmaceuticals, export, import, trading, supplying, and named it as Reliable Chemi. Eventually, I shifted the name from Reliable Chemi to Reliable Incorporates as I wanted to do many other things in that business. Then I landed up one fine day into a profession called as teaching, which was not by choice, but by chance I landed up in this field. In this field where I landed up, I started getting involved with a lot of people, with students, with teachers, with stakeholders, with trustees, with businesses, and understanding how the business actually was growing with leaps and bounces. I started teaching in various courses. To name a few of them, I started teaching in courses like Banking, Insurance, BAF, BFM, BTM, BSM, BMM, BMS, and the most coveted MBA degrees. In my journey of life, I have taught in various institutes like, to name a few of them, I started teaching in colleges in Mumbai, right from Jai Hind, KC, Hinduja, Wilson, Lalas. As I reside in central suburbs, so I had few colleges in the central line starting with R.A. Podar, SIS, Swami Vivekanand. And also I taught in some few colleges in western line comprising of the Hanugar College at Vile Parle East, UPJ Vile Parle West, and also at St. Andrews at Bandra. I was also blessed to teach in few MBA colleges, to name a few of them. I have been teaching currently as well in institutes like Wellinger, NMIMS, SP Jain, NL Dalmias, IBS at Powai, UKS, SVIMS, and other few institutes in Mumbai as well. As teaching became my part and parcel of my life, I started my second venture called as corporate training. While corporate training was a tough task, I was always wondering where will I get students from. And then my students whom I taught pulled me up to those levels and took me to the journey of the whole new paradigm of what corporate training was all about, and it gave me a great insights. I launched my company called as SRLCI, which is famously called as Skill Recognition and Learning Center of India. With leaps and bounces, with a team of just 2 people, it grew up to 5, 7 and now 10 people. With few trainers training people across the globe. We have 2 offices in the world, one is in Mumbai and second is in Dubai. From both of these offices, we do multiple trainings. We do in fact around different types of 70 trainings in the business world as well. I have authored few books in my life also. While I was authoring books, I also have read a lot of books. One of the books which I was reading was called as How to Be a Millionaire. And while reading that book, I realized life and business is all about diversification, which means try doing as much multiple things as you could do. That's where my journey began to think about what should be my next business be. Gradually, I was inclined towards starting up my third business, which was called as a food startup. I started my food startup business. I call it still till date as a startup because startup has a lot of benefits as well as disadvantages. The most important benefit of calling it as a startup is that you get a lot of sentiments and it helps the business to grow big time. That's how my food business started becoming bigger and bigger. While teaching was, since I mentioned, not by choice, by chance, I also started doing trainings for different levels and different purposes as well. The whole training, teaching, business, all those things together gave me a lot of experience and exposure. With time and wisdom, I realized world is a wonderful journey to begin with. As I also always have learned that life is a journey between me and thee, that is birth and death, which is fixed not by us but by Almighty. The word between me and thee is called as C, which is called as choice. We always have a choice to grow up in life. We always have a choice to do many things in life. I chose to do inspiring people, and I want to inspire each one of you who are listening to me. Let's hold hands together and help the business and individual a better place to live across with. With these words of wisdom, stay in touch and God bless all of us. Thank you so much.